it's definitely a great place to be, just in terms of getting to do a lot of that like really high level thinking. And it's a very intellectual space ultimately, right? Like you don't have immediate market pressures on your day to day, but you're getting to think really critically about how those markets are shaping up and how you want to play in them. So
Yeah,
it
it can be a
is a
great
very
career.
cool
Yeah.
like place to be in. Yeah.
Yeah, it can be a great career. I agree.
Yeah.
I think it does get a little bit of a bad rep because people are like, you want to be direct because it's tends to have more exit,
Yeah.
flexibility and stuff like that. But
And I think and there's something to be said for that. Like if you're someone who wants to maybe go into like a corp dev role at a Fortune 500 company, it makes sense to like try to get some kind of skill set that might be more applicable in those settings.
yeah,
But yeah, I think there's a lot of great paths in that space.